For any EHS auditor, there are a number of tools and technologies that they should have at their disposal and be aware of in order to be the most effective auditor possible. It's important to know, of course, how to access the regulations, whether you're proficient in using the ECFR system or you have a subscription service to regulatory content. It's really critical that auditors are able to access regulations quickly and efficiently. Another tool is to ensure that auditors have a way to continue their education. The EHS Audit Center is a great way to continue your education and advance your awareness and knowledge of various topics within the EHS audit realm. Having an EHS software for checklists to use during an audit or access to internal audit protocols are also very important for an auditor to have at their disposal to ensure that they are hitting all the requirements during an audit. A team of professionals to rely on or bounce things off of internally or through an organization is another critical part of any auditor's toolbox. That collaboration piece is very important. And lastly, if you're lucky, having a mentor is one of the best things that you can have in your toolbox.